Welcome to ShortView Trading. This is your morning market hit for Friday, 23rd of April. What matters today for traders and what's been happening this week? Well, on Monday, we laid out the case for a continued grind higher in equity markets. Clearly, that case has been tested somewhat with a couple of quite big wobble days yesterday, Thursday, and on Tuesday. Having said that, markets merely look like they're consolidating within the uptrend with a number of indices holding above key levels. For example, if we look at the S&P 500, it's effectively moved sideways for a few days, which after such strong gains in early April is not particularly surprising. And mirroring that, if we look at implied volatility for the S&P measured by the VIX, it's edged up a little bit this week and has tested its lows from the past 6 to 9 months, but it hasn't broken above that key level. So far that's technically encouraging. While elsewhere indices have found support, if you look at the Philly Sox, it's held above its 50-day moving average this week, while the Russell has just about held on by a thread to its 50-day moving average, which is quite impressive given that indices like the Russell have been under pressure this week from falling bond yields, with the 10-year yield continuing to edge lower in the last few trading days. So where are we now? What happens after this mini consolidation phase that we appear to be in? Are equity markets preparing the ground to move higher, or are they about to roll over? We have a number of short-term models that help time direction of equity markets on a 1 to 2 week view. We update them and publish them every day in our daily trading publication. It's available on the website, and to subscribers, we also offer a free trial for 7 trading days. And really the trading view, long or short US equities, that we write about and publish every day is driven by the positioning of our models. Like this one that you see on the screen now, this is a short-term risk appetite model, and it picks up the ebb and flow of fear and greed in markets. When markets get fearful, this model generates buy signals. When they're greedy, that pushes it up to sell levels. And as you can see, it's been timely in picking the key turning points in markets in recent months. So we're closely watching the message of that model and signals that we're getting from a number of other indicators, all of them updated in our daily trading publication. We're also watching the dollar. Movements in the dollar have been pretty key. They've been a strong tailwind for equity markets over the course of recent weeks. The key question, of course, is whether or not that trend, that tailwind, is beginning to change. So for our thoughts on the dollar, the positioning of all of our short-term indicators, and for how we're trading this market, have a look at our daily trading publication available on the website. What are we watching today in terms of data and events? Plenty going on, not least market, manufacturing and service sector, flash PMIs for April for a number of countries, for the Eurozone, Germany, France, the UK, and for the US, importantly, later this afternoon at 2:45 London time. We also get Lagarde and Yellen speaking on a climate change panel, and earnings season carries on. Schlumberger, American Express, Honeywell and others all reporting their earnings today. That was your morning market hit. We publish these videos twice a week, once on a Monday, thinking about the outlook for the week, and then on a Friday, reviewing the week. Do look at those. Do follow us on YouTube, search under ShortView Trading. Join us on Twitter, LinkedIn and or Facebook. Thanks for listening.